I got it rolling, just got to edit that part out.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
You ready? All right, my name is Noah Walker, and I will be your occupational therapy assistant student today. So today we are going to do a groove pegboard test. So these are the pegs. They're all the same. They have a groove, which is the round side, and a square side, and so do each of the holes in the board. So what you're going to do is match the groove of the peg into the groove of the board, like this. All right, and when I say go, you're going to put all the pegs into the board one at a time. Since you're left-handed dominant, you'll go right to left on each row and fill every row without skipping any as quickly as you can. If you drop a peg, just take the first one that you have already completed and just replace it with that one. So, do you have any questions?
I do not.
All right, ready and go. Now remember, we're trying to go as quickly as possible. Great job. So your time was 67 seconds, and how we do the score is the time it took you added to the amount of drops added to the amount that you placed correctly. So since you placed all 25 correctly and your time was 67, your score would be 92 for your right hand. All right, now we're gonna clear this out, and we're gonna do the same thing except with your non-dominant hand, which will be your right. So what you're gonna do is the same exact thing, except you're gonna start on the left side and go left to right in each row. All right, are you ready?
I am.
Go. You actually got the same exact score. So your score for your non-dominant hand was 92 as well. All right, great job. Now we're gonna move to the 9-hole peg test. All right. My name is Noah Walker, and I will be your occupational therapy assistant student today. So today I'm gonna have you perform the 9-hole peg test. On this test, I want you to pick up the pegs and place them into the holes as quickly as you can. It doesn't matter what order you go in. So I want you to place them in the holes as quickly as you can, and once you have it all the way filled up, pull them out as quickly as you can without pausing. If a peg falls on the table, you can quickly grab it and use it again, but if it falls to the floor, I will grab it for you and place it back onto the table for you to use it. So your score will be the amount of time it takes you to fill it up and then pull the pegs out. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go. Alright, so your first time was 17 seconds. Alright, so what we're going to do 2 trials for each hand. So we're going to do the dominant hand again. Whenever you're ready, I'll start the time when you pick up the first peg. Alright, your time for the second trial was 19 seconds. Alright, now we're going to just do the same thing except with your opposite hand. I'll start the timer whenever you're ready. Your time for that one was 18 seconds, and we're going to do it one more time with your non-dominant hand whenever you're ready. Alright, and the time for your last trial was 17 seconds. Good job, Mr. Jeffrey. I think this will help us a lot to determine what we're going to do for our next steps with you, alright? Have a good day.